There are thousands of Amazon reviews on this one issue alone.
Welcome to Toy Explorers, and today's toy that we are exploring is
The Transport Vehicle Toys Set.
I think it's time to explore.
Wow, that is a lot of stuff in such a small box.
Speaking of a small box, let's take care of the elephant in the room.
There are thousands of Amazon reviews on this one issue alone.
This toy set is not as big as the pictures.
Look at this.
Amazon shows it to be this big, but in reality, it's this big.
Oh, it's a little bigger than that.
Okay,
Besides that, it looks pretty cool.
so let's play.
I love my job.
Hey, get back to work.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Coming.
No, please, after you.
Thank you.
Watch out for those signs.
This is annoying. In order to get the sounds to work on the truck, you do need 2 AAA batteries.
Here are the sounds. There's a good number of songs on this thing for your child's entertainment and your annoyance. The truck has 2 sides to store away these cars.
Also, it has a front that opens.
Push this button down to take the car out.
It also comes with a handle on the top.
All right, bye-bye, truck. Ooh, what's this? Oh, look, additional stickers for the truck in case you want to put these on.
Now, there are a lot of complaints about this mat.
It's not a rug, it's just a piece of fabric. Each toy truck or tractor has its own unique movement, which can greatly build any child's imagination. Now, the price on this is actually not bad.
It's only $32.99.
Thanks for exploring with us, and we'll see you next time.